This episode of Mathematics with Mr. Richardson is sponsored by 8 Lives Cat Food for the unlucky cat in your life. Remember, 8 lives. It has what cats crave. Problem number 3, using a graphing calculator to solve a rational equation. What are the solutions of the rational equation? Use a graphing calculator to solve. So we're given this equation and asked to solve it using a graphing calculator. Here would be the steps involved. First, hit y equals on your calculator and enter the functions as shown in this image. You'll let y1 equal the left-hand side of the equation and y2 equal the right-hand side of the equation. In that case, much as we've done before, we're going to be looking for the intersection of these two functions. Then hitting the graph key, adjusting your window if necessary, you should see something like this. Again, keep in mind we're searching for the intersection of the two functions, so we need to calculate that intersection. Bear in mind, you can use the calculate key, which is second trace, to calculate the intersection. Or you may use a table. The image on the right shows us how to use a table. On your graphing calculator, you will hit second graph. That will bring up the table menu, and then we're searching for the point on y1 where y1 equals 1. And sure enough, it's the case that when x is 0, y1 is 1. This can also be done on Desmos. You can see I've graphed the function on Desmos, or the two functions. We have something that looks very similar to what was seen on the graphing calculator. Now, I've already clicked on the point of intersection at 0, 1, but I want to show you how to open up a table in Desmos, much as you were shown how to do that on your graphing calculator. If you click on the gearbox above that, and then notice next to this function, well, next to both functions, but this one in particular, we have a table or convert to table option. When I select that, note what it does to that function. It generates a table for us. And it just so happens that we have the value that we need showing right here in the table. X is 0 when the output of the function is 1. So perfect, we've identified the intersection of these two functions, which, if you recall, represents the solution to our equation. Therefore, the solution is x equals 0. A quick check of our solution. We substitute 0 for x in the original equation and ensure that it works. And your opportunity to show that you have got it. What are the solutions of the rational equation x plus 2 over 1 minus 2x equals 5? Use a graphing calculator to solve. And now it's time for your lesson check exercises. Questions 1 and 2 from the Do You Know How section. Please pause now if you're interested. Questions 3 and 4 of the same section. And questions 5 through 7 of the Do You Understand section.